Okay, ladies, right now we are going to show you the very beginning of the dance with music.
407 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation.
Okay, just real quick, we want to kind of give you a little bit of a demonstration to hopefully help clarify any questions. At the very beginning of the routine, we've kind of broken this down into what we would like to call more of an intro before we get into the actual 8 counts. You will notice at the beginning of the music, you will hear a ba-da-da-da-da-da and like a cymbal sound. We have broken that part into 4 sections, and we will start over here and work our way from left to right. So what it will look like, and we will have certain schools that will be broken into categories to make it more self-explanatory. So what it'll look like is ba-da-da-da-dum-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum-da-dum. So hopefully that clarifies anything. If you have any questions, just ask. This is the first 8 count of all 6 8 counts. We are going to do the first 8 count slowly as a demonstration, and then we will do the same 8 count again, just a little bit faster.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This will now be the second 8 count with a slow demonstration, again followed by a little bit faster.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, look 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, look 8.
Okay, this is now the third 8 count of the routine. Again, slow demonstration followed by the faster 8 counts.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, this will now be the fourth 8 count of the routine with the slow demonstration followed by the sped up 8 counts.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look 6, 7, 8.
Okay, this is the fifth 8 count of the routine, slow demonstration followed by the sped up 8 counts.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, this is the 6th and final 8 count of the beginning portion of the routine. We will do the slow demonstration 8 counts followed by a sped up version.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5,
Okay, bear with me as we try to make this ending part clear as mud. So, if you will remember at the beginning of the routine, we had the da-da-da-da-da-da and the symbol. This is going to be the same concept, except for it will have words to it now. So, what our hopes and expectations are, which you will later see, is at the end of our song, you will hear courtesy of the red, white, and blue. At that time, during the words red, white, and blue, we would like for all the schools to get in their ready performance position, which you will see our girls in now. At that time, it will immediately go into one nation, indivisible. And we will do the same process 4 times. So it should look something like this. Courtesy of the red, white, and blue, one nation, indivisible. One nation, indivisible. One nation, indivisible. One nation, indivisible. I'm going to stop you guys right there. You will notice that time the girls did not do the crisscross, as at this point we will only have enough time to pop up and salute. Okay, we are now going to start showing you the ending of the routine. This is the part that will start right after, kind of like the beginning introduction with the one nation indivisible. This will officially start the ending 8 counts. And at this time, we're actually going to demonstrate the first 2 8 counts of the ending for you, as it's mainly just jumps and kicks. So I think that'll be a little bit easier. And please take note in the first 8 count that it is a jump and a kick, right herky, right kick.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, now will be, if you will, starting the third 8 count of the dance, which is, I believe, starting of the song Proud to Be an American. The following 6 8 counts are basically a repeat from the beginning, which, just for the sake of practice, we will demonstrate now with just counts.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, we are now going to show you, I believe, roughly the last 4 8 counts of the dance. As you will notice, we are going to pick up from the 8 8 count just to kind of make it easier to demonstrate. At this time, you will have 1 8 count to walk into a stunt. So on count 9, you will be walking into your stunt. And at that time, I believe on our stunt, you will start on the 10th 8 count, and we are roughly going up approximately on count 5. And then the next 2 8 counts is when you will roughly be holding your stunt. So my recommendation would be that you, if you are a squad that is choosing to stunt, maybe choose a stunt that you feel that your squad can roughly hold for that amount of time. And then you will notice basically we immediately dismount our imaginary flyer right when the song ends. At this time, for fun, what we would like to encourage the girls to do, and you will see, is basically 2 or 3 times we would like for all 12 schools to start chanting USA and continue chanting in hopes to get everybody involved as they are exiting immediately to the left. And also, a little side note, we will also be showing you in the very end what the girls who are not participating and squads who are not participating in the stunting sequence, what you will be doing as well. So I know that's a lot, so we'll try to show you, and again, feel free to email or call us or ask for any questions. So hopefully we can show you and make this as clear as mud.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
USA! 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 Okay, So this part is for the squads and or cheerleaders who are not active in the actual stunt. So it is roughly 4 8 counts, and then we end with the salute on the ending 1. The first part of that is you are just walking for an 8 count. At that time, we have utilized those 8 counts for our girls to shift or do a little bit of a transformation, I guess, if you will. So this is actually picking up the actual dance part.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.